Hi everyone, this is Arman with YouTube user Arman's Elevator Tour. Today is Black Friday, and what a good way to celebrate is a good way to do and buy stuff. I would all like to buy stuff that would be like at a hotel or something, and then that I like to buy lots of cool stuff. And I'd say a happy Black Friday, and it begins after Thanksgiving break recently, and Black Friday is gonna be here after Thanksgiving break, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, that will be fun. And I'll show you the Sam's Club and Walmart that I like to go to. The Walmart Supercenter and the Sam's Club. Wait. See you. Wait. Focus. Yeah. Wait. Wow. This right here, I got a nice fruit stand. Now I can show you a view of the Walmart. And there's two hotels I always like to go to with my mom and sisters, which is gonna be, I think it's gonna be the Thanksgiving break, which I'm gonna go build a time machine with Joseph, and then let me show you. Wait. Let me give you a street view. Wait, let me go like right here. What the? I just escaped this. All right, so. Wait, you gotta wait for this because I'm. There's the lake I've been to right there. You can get a beautiful view, or it's kind of like the beach. And there's the hotel view that you got. But the pool has been changed. The pool thing, I can show you. We'll take a quick look. Wait. It changed to this. Wait. Yep. So now, there's one more hotel that I like to go to during Thanksgiving break. It's called the... Once my sister... And once my sister told me something funny, she was like, that's such a high school. Like, that's not a high school, it's a hotel, silly. That was really funny. Alright. Okay, so there's trees blocking the view, so there's a big truck blocking the view. Trees. Wait 1 second. 2021. Wait, let me move this. There, sorry, there we go. So there you got the Holiday Express and Suites, Granbury. Here, let me show you the amenities. The pool, the fitness center. And this one was updated by me. Oh, it was Arman's elevator tour, but now it's Arman's funny channel. Wait 1 second. I forgot to show you one thing. Oh yeah, see? Yep. I just passed it. So, hope everyone has a wonderful wait. Sorry, so this is you got your Black Friday deal. So, hope everybody has a wonderful happy Black Friday. Do a lot of shopping and God bless you all.